Today, we are learning about vowel team OE. Now remember, these are two vowels, but they're a team to make one sound, and they're making the sound O. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, and he usually says his name. That means that E is silent, but he helps O say his name. O, right? So this vowel sound is O. Good, let's make our first word. Now, how many sounds are in our word? 1, 2. Let's tap our sounds out. Ready? T, O. That was easy. Let's tap and stretch our sounds together. Toe. Let's do that again. Ready? Toe. Let's say it fast. Toe. Yeah, toe. And just like your toe is at the end of your body, normally you see OE vowel team at the end of words. Okay. So let's look at our new word. How many sounds does it have? 1, 2. Let's tap out our sounds. Ch, O. That's good. Now let's tap and stretch our sounds together. Joe. Let's do that again. Ready? Joe. Yeah, that made a word that you recognized really quickly, huh? Joe. Yeah, I have a friend and his name is Joe. Pretty easy. All right, what about this one? How many sounds? 2. That's right. And this is a vowel team, so it only makes one sound. The E is silent. O says his name. And this consonant says F. So we have F, O. Good. Let's tap and stretch them together. Are we ready? Fo. Good. Let's do that again. Fo. Let's say it fast. Fo. Say it fast again. Foe. Yeah, a foe is like an enemy. The bad guy is the foe of the good guy. All right, let's look at our new word. How many sounds does it have? 1, 2. We always like to look at our vowel. We have a vowel team, OE. E is silent. O says his name. We have 2 sounds. Let's tap the sounds. D, O. That was easy. Let's stretch our sounds together. Ready? Do. Do it again. Do. Say it fast. Do. What kind of doe is this? This is a female deer, a mommy deer, a female deer, a girl deer is a doe. Yeah. Good job practicing vowel team OE that says O.